Welcome to my YouTube channel, Unique Learning Station. Today we are going to discuss about 35 important GK, which will help you to appear all kinds of examination and your daily life. Okay, let's start. How many lungs does the human body have? Answer 2. Which metal is used for generation of nuclear power? Answer uranium. Who is associated with Tashkent Agreement? Answer Lal Bahadur Shastri. Alpha keratin is a protein present in which thing? Answer wool. Who wrote the book A House for Mr. Biswas? Answer V.S. Naipaul. Which planet looks reddish in the night sky? Answer Mars. Sachin Tendulkar scored his 100th international century against which country? Answer Bangladesh. What was the script used in the earliest Tamil inscriptions? Answer Brahmi. Which vitamin is considered to be a hormone? Answer vitamin D. Which is the first talkie film of India? Answer Alomara. Which is the element found on the surface of the moon? Answer titanium. My Music, My Life is the autobiography of which person? Answer Pandit Ravi Shankar. Which animal is respiration done by skin? Answer earthworms and amphibians like frog. Which was the first newspaper to be published in India? Answer Bengal Gazette by James August Hickey. Gobar gas contains mainly which gas? Answer methane. Who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India? Answer the President. Which rocks is transformed into marble? Answer limestone. Which is the most populous city in the world? Answer Tokyo, city of Japan. The first railway line in India was opened in which year? Answer 1853, 32 km line between Bombay and Thane. Who was called Jinda Pir in Mughal India? Answer Aurangzeb. The United Nations declared 2010 as which international years? Answer Rapprochement of Cultures. Whose tomb is called Bibi Ka Maqbara? Answer Aurangzeb's wife, Dildas Banu Begum. Regatta is associated with which sports event? Answer rowing, kind of boat racing. How many islands of India are located in the Bay of Bengal? Answer 204 islands. Amartya Sen, the NRI Nobel laureate, got the honor for which work? Answer Poverty and Feminism. What is the total surface area of Earth? Answer 510.1 million km square. Which city is known as the Manchester of South India? Answer Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu. The celebrated novel The Godfather, who was the author? Answer Mario Puzo. Which is the vitamin that is most readily manufactured in our bodies? Answer vitamin D. What does the preamble of our constitution contain? Answer. The spirit of the constitution. Where were first Olympic Games held? Answer. Ancient Greece, 776 BC. Which is the oldest stock exchange of India? Answer. Bombay Stock Exchange. Why we cannot see during a fog? Answer. Because of scattering of light. Who stated that there was no slavery in India? Answer. Megasthenes. Which plant is referred to as a living fossil? Answer. Ginkgo biloba. Thanks for watching this video. If there is any mistake, please comment. Please like and subscribe and share my channel and press the bell icon to get new video. If you want to remember this GK, you will have to watch this video again and again. Thank you.